Hello, welcome to Composition Academy. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss conflict in the narrative essay. Content for this lesson includes: what is conflict, why is conflict so important, and what are the different types of conflict in a narrative. What is conflict? A conflict is a struggle that the main character or protagonist encounters in a story. The conflict is really the focal point of a narrative and creates the plot. Why is conflict important? Without conflict, there would be no story. In each narrative, the protagonist has a goal. This goal could be outlandish and extravagant, or the protagonist could have a goal to simply survive. When a piece of literature begins, we're introduced to the protagonist early on. If the protagonist were to be completely happy and content with no worries, then the story would be pretty boring and there will be no plot. But shortly after the protagonist is introduced, she will be presented with a problem, some obstacle that she must overcome or a goal that she must achieve. It is the presentation of this conflict that creates the storyline and leads to the rising action. The plot must introduce a conflict. Otherwise, the story will never start. In literature, there are different types of conflicts, and each story that you read will contain one or more from this list. The types of conflicts include